Hello children, today we are with the comprehension for the lesson homework from Unit 3 Part C. These are some instructions to be followed to make a comprehension. On to the passage here. In this passage we get to know that the large amount of homework given to children is causing them to be awake till midnight and they are missing some important aspects in their life. The sports, the sleep, the time with their family, and this is what causes obesity cases, and also some children lose confidence in themselves, and this obesity even causes teasing, bullying in the school, which really gives negative impacts rather than the positive impacts which the academics have to give. Hence, here in this passage we are given an idea that a lot of homeworks are really harmful. Instead of being productive, they are counterproductive. On to the objective type questions. What are extracurricular activities? Going to school, participating in sports and cultural activities, preparing notes, respecting teachers and elders. Yes, the right answer is extracurricular activities. I know you all love to be participating in the extracurricular activities. That is especially sports and cultural activities. On to the next question. What was the reason for growing obesity cases among children? Engaging them in academics, engaging them in sports, not encouraging them in academics, not encouraging them in sports. Yes, the right answer is not encouraging them in sports. So you should not come to a conclusion that engaging children in academics is causing obesity. No, that is not the thing. Academics also they should excel, as well as they need to participate in sports, they need to play, they need to make their body active, they need to relax, refresh from their daily routine. So this is what the lesson is about. What is the main reason for low self-esteem and depression? Why are children getting depressed? Why are they losing their self-esteem or self-respect? What is the reason? Not allowing them to watch movies, allowing them to watch movies, academics, teasing. Yes, the right answer is teasing. So, due to obesity, they are getting fat and the children are teasing them, and in turn, they are getting less self-confident or losing their self-respect. What is the reason for the insufficient amount of sleep? The large amount of homeworks given to the students is causing them to be awake till late hours in the night and leaving them with insufficient sleep. So it is not advising that homework should not be given. Large amounts of homework, when huge lot of homework, chunk of things are given as homework, it definitely keeps them away from sports or family time and keeps them to be awake. Generally you see bright children or intelligent children, they do the homework quickly because they listen and they have good intellectual capabilities. But some children who are slow learners, they have to wake up till 12 o'clock or till midnight and they have to get along with the academics. So this is a real poor state of condition for the children because they lose their sleep time. On to the next question. Do you feel physical exercise encourages children to fare well in academics? Support your decision with an example. So here is a question where it asks physical exercise. If the children are made to play, can they do well in exams? Can they get good marks in exams? Yes, physical exercise encourages children to fare well in academics because it lets them relieve from stress and refreshes their brain and helps them to be active and alert. So, both the academics and sports should be balanced. Children need to be engaged in academics, that is studies as well as sports. Then only it will give birth to an overall development of the children. So this is the intention of giving this passage to you. Hope you all understood how to comprehend the passage. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a great day.